This is a 2-into-1 flag. Welcome to the United Republic of Tanzania. To understand this flag fully, we have to go back to the late 1800s to an area called the German East Africa, which, after the First World War, was handed over to the British rule to become the Tanzanica Territory with this red ensign. In the early 1960s, the Tanganyika African National Union moved towards liberating the area, and after some modifications, this flag was used for the region in December 1961. Next door, and back to the late 1800s again, the Sultanate of Zanzibar had this plain, simple red flag. A green disc with 2 cloves was added in 1963, and when the land became the People's Republic of Zanzibar and Pemba, this tricolour was used. So now we have the flags of Tanzanica and Zanzibar, and in April of 1964 both countries united, and 3 months later their flags were melded together to create the national flag of Tanzania. Click here to find out how Tanganyika influenced the flag of Jamaica. See, these things are connected in one way or another.